Hello, my prepper posse. I know you're loving it. This is the last load to put in the truck, and look what we got. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? It's alright, we got the truck till 9 o'clock tonight. It's like 11 o'clock here in the AM. But we just have these boxes to shove in the truck for the storage unit. Look at this. Oh yeah. Well, I just thought I'd let you all know this is what's going down. It looks like there's a lot of stuff under there, but there's really not. It's a bunch of tables that are tiers that have boxes in them. But we had to throw tarps over so that our stuff wouldn't get soaked. But happy, happy, joy, joy, huh? Alright, well, hopefully this will stop soon. Don't forget to play. See ya!